Blorpin here. You voted and the octopus won. So let's get into it. Picture this. An octopus in a research tank gets poked by one specific researcher over and over during feeding time. Annoying, sure, but here's where it gets strange. And hey, if you're the kind of person who likes figuring stuff like this out, do us both a favor and hit like and subscribe, because it only gets weirder from here. Weeks later, when that same researcher walks by, not even touching the tank, just walking by, the octopus squirts water directly at them specifically. Other researchers walk by all day and nothing happens. That's not a coincidence. Octopuses have been shown to recognize individual human faces and hold on to that memory for a surprisingly long time. They don't just remember a human was annoying, they remember which human. Kind of unsettling, right? An animal with no face memory system like ours, no long-term social bonds, no pack to remember faces for, and it's still out there quietly holding grudges. Here's the part that gets me, though. Humans do the exact same thing. We just dress it up differently. Ever met someone once, had one slightly off interaction, and then felt weirdly guarded around them every time after, even if you can't fully explain why? That's not you being petty. That's not you holding a silly grudge. That's the same ancient wiring the octopus is running on. Psychologists call it negativity bias. Our brains are wired to remember bad experiences far more vividly than good ones, and to attach that memory to a specific person, place, or situation. It's not a character flaw. It's a survival tool. If something hurt you once, remembering exactly who or what caused it means you might avoid getting hurt the same way twice. The wild part is the octopus doesn't even have the kind of brain structure we'd expect this from. Most of its neurons aren't even in its head. They're spread through its arms. And yet, somehow, it still built a system for remember who hurt me, avoid them later. Which either means memory and grudges are way more basic and ancient than we thought, or evolution really wants every creature on this planet to hold a grudge. So next time you catch yourself being a little cold to someone over one bad interaction months ago, you're not overreacting. You're running the same software as an 8-armed sea creature. Honestly, kinda humbling. Speaking of creatures with surprisingly sharp memories, should Blorpin cover the crow that never forgets a face next, or the elephant that mourns its dead for years? Drop your vote in the comments. That's the Blorpin theory. Stay curious.